Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can send Ghana cedi with Trustremit. Okay, first of all, when you first open the application or when you first open the website, this is the first page that is going to appear. So you can click on continue, or you can fill on this, but even if you fill it, you still have to fill it again. So let me just click on continue, because it's going to take me to a different phrase that I'm going to still add, that I'm going to still fill of these details. That's the amount of the Trustremit, the amount of the GHS I want to buy, JC I want to buy, and then I click on continue. Okay, now for unverified users, as at the time of taking this video, even if you are not verified, you've registered but you're not verified, you have access to 300 units of GHS per day. Also, for the verified account, you have access to up to 4,000 units of GHC per day. Okay, so even if you are not verified but you've registered, you can still use Trustremit. That's as at the time of taking this video, but anytime they can decide to stop it. So I think it's not going to last long. Okay, so let's say I want to buy this I want to buy $45 worth of GHC. Now I will click on 45. I will click on the field and then provide the amount I want to buy, and then you can see here fee. They are going to charge me 2.25 USD, and the transfer is going to be processed within a minute. I'm going to pay a total sum of 47.25 USD. So as for unverified accounts, you cannot go beyond 50 USD per day. Okay, so you click on continue. So this is where you add your recipient details. If you don't have the recipient detail here, you've got to click on add recipient, and then provide the necessary details. Okay, let's say I'm sending it to Yusuf. So I'm not exactly going to send the GHS. It's just for the sake of you guys to know how we can send GHS to other, maybe Binance user. You want to buy USDT, so you can come here directly. You click on the amount of USDT you want to buy, then an equivalent amount of GHS will appear. So you come here, use your debit card to pay off the merchant, and then you release your fund. So I'm not going to take the whole process, but I'm just going to show you how you can send, or how you can use Trustremit per se. Okay, so Yusuf, let's say Yusuf. Okay, Sunny, and then you specify his email address. But oftentimes when you go to Binance, you want to send Ghana cedi, you won't see his email, their email address, their city, their town, their country. So all this information are not actually needed. The only thing that is needed is the recipient phone number, which is the most important. Even the name is not as important as the recipient phone number, because it's with the recipient phone number that you're going to use to send the money. And if you don't have the correct recipient phone number, meaning the transaction would not be processed, would not be successful. So you can write your email address. Let's say my email address is yyy@gmail.com. Okay, the phone number field is the most important. Okay, let's say this is the phone number, and city There is a city in Ghana called Accra. You can write Accra town, and then prefix. I'll write 233, country Ghana. All these details are actually not as important as the phone number, so you can write anything you want. You can even write Nigeria. The most important is the phone number. Okay, postcode, let's say 222857. I don't even know the postcode, but it just gives, as like I say, the most important is the phone number. Okay, so then click on add recipient. So now I have successfully added a new recipient, and as you can see, it's appearing at the top of the list. That's Yusuf Sani, okay, with account number this and city this. All right, so now what I will do is that I will click on this menu, click on it, click on send. Okay, send. Okay, after clicking on send, it will take you to the same page you have recently passed the information, the details. It will take you to the same page where you recently fill off the amount of GHC you want to buy, but you still have to fill it again. 45. Okay, you spent 45. The same page that you've filled up, that you fill in before. Okay, and click on continue. So it will take you to another page. That's the same page that you've recently visited. So from here, this is where you see the recipient's name you've recently added. So this is the recipient name I've added recently. That's the last one. And if you didn't add any recipient, you don't have any recipient, you have to follow the same process that I've shown you. Okay, then this is the details of the transaction that's about to take place. Okay, so you click on the Yusuf Sani. Okay, so you are sending it to him, to Yusuf Sani. So this is where you write. Okay, you are sending it through this method, that's MTN memo service provider. Okay, then this is where you write the account details of the recipient, or the account details or mobile number. Let's say 223, the same this thing. Okay, let's say this is the account details, or this is the mobile number that you've copied from your Binance account or any exchange. So then you provide your reason, mostly a short note. So just say product. You can write anything, product. Okay, so this phone number that you're seeing is not the phone number that you're going to use exactly, but the phone number that you have, the merchant phone number that you're going to copy from Binance and then paste it here. That's the number that you're going to, and that name that I've used, you're going to copy the merchant name from your Binance and then paste it on that field. That's all. Then click on proceed. Okay, so this is where you pay the money. Pay with Visa or MasterCard. So if you have Visa, it's work. If you have MasterCard, most of the card I've tested on this platform, they actually work. And the reason why I'm not using any card is because of the fact that the month is getting to an end and we've used up all our cards on this arbitrage, so we don't have any card that we can use at the moment. but I pray that you understand all the necessary steps that you need to follow in order to send money, or in order to send Ghana cedi to your merchant. So this is where you click on this button. You click on the button that's pay with Visa or MasterCard. Okay, and that's all. To take you to a page where you need to add your details, the card details, and then boom, your payments would be approved, and then the transaction will go, and then the merchant is going to receive his money. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys, and please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit off on the notification button, so that whenever I release a new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Thank you.